example, this time we come to Africa's largest slum, Kibera Slum in Nairobi, the capital of Kenya. You can see walking tour of Kibera Slum with local guides. Slums are overcrowded urban areas where the people live. There have been no exact surveys, but it's estimated that between 200,000 and 500,000 people are living here. Slums may have a strong image of poverty and crime, but what does they really look like? With a local guide, we would like to see the reality of Kibera Slum. So let's go. Our guide is Sammy, born and raised here.
Each and every morning, Monday to Friday. Yeah. We usually use the train because it's cheaper.
Looks like a commercial area here.
Yeah, it's a commercial area. You see, it's very big. People living backward, they are doing business in front of their house. So they prefer just doing business inside the area because there is no job. You taste the fish one.
So the main of cooking sauce which people use for cooking.
Like for you, you eat porridge. For us, we drink porridge. Yes. For you regard it as a food. For us, it's a drink.
Good.
Yes, usually we watch the movies. See the movies. Yeah, and football. So you can see it will continue to be a dumping site too. So people complain to government, why you come and launching something, then you cannot do something. But when you come into 2 years, it will be just a dumping site area till the next. But they are planning to build houses. Not bike.
Goal?
Yeah, that's a goal. But to us, we already used to it. You're playing, getting hard, so you're just used to it.
Hull City.
Hull City. The team from English Premier League.
Yeah, I know.
Everyone now you can know. Yeah.
Something small for the photo. And I like
I like Orunga.
Oh, Orunga from Kenya.
Right. Evan? Hi.
Started from the May until September. We are expecting the rainy season. You should move away from the river. They cannot move away. They're just coming back. Because when the rain stops, they're coming back. Then even when they rain, they'll be demolished by the riverside.
Yeah,
so it's very dangerous living near the river.
Unanielewa?
You understand me? You understand me? Unanielewa.
I ask if you understand me.
Unanielewa.
Unanielewa. That's in Swahili.
Right.
This is a charcoal.
Charcoal.
Welcome in. This is the house.
Remove these curtains, you'll find that it's just iron sheet. Yeah. You can just even feel it. But normally the size of houses are this space. So you find that when you have a family of maybe 5 to 7 children, you will always share this one room. Then the kitchen will always come next to the bed. If it was to be a normal life whereby they had this one room, all the 6 children and the 2 parents would have been sharing this one room, because paying the rent is a very, very difficult task. So like this one room here, if it's rented to you, it will go for 3,000 shillings every month. And the highest pay someone will get in Kibera is up to 6,000 Kenyan shillings. So you find that half of your salary will always go to the house rent.
Hi.
This one we used to take our back. 500 shillings. You have to take 500 shillings daily, so you can just come and greet them. Hey, Laji.
Arsenal. Manchester. Asante.
Chizo.
Your name?
Mana Chizo, yes, this is my name.
Blue building, that's the Shofco, which I told you is the biggest organization in Kibera Slums. It's really trying, and it's really trying a lot, and usually try best because of right now, that's the only NGO who support the community, because right now they have that project of water. They are trying to supply each and every area, Kibera Slums, the water. And you see that Kibera, this is the hospital, Kibera South Hospital, that's the center hospital. This is the government hospital. Usually help a lot of community when people are getting sick. They are going to the hospital right now. You can see these rich people and this ghetto slums. You can see the separation. That's why in the middle of sandwich. Before here was a lot of houses. Before this road was a lot of houses here. People are being demolished by the force. You have to move so you can create the roads. So you can see 30 years, the slums will just be small. These are cheerleaders.
Cheerleader? Cheerleaders, right?
I'm a we do merry-go-rounds.
Go around and they help people.
We help people, the needy ones, orphans.
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 After celebrating, they come and doing some crime. So that's the different pictures you can see. Dumisha amani, komesha vurugu. So dumisha amani, keep peace. Komesha vurugu, don't be violent, stop violence. Yeah, that's in English.
We have sanitation, the biggest problem. Then again, we have school dropout that will always lead to early pregnancies. Because so long as a girl is not attending school, they will always be engaged with some of the young men around, and with that the result will always be pregnancy. And after the early pregnancy, it will always lead to early marriages. Schooling in Kenya is the most expensive thing in East Africa, only if you are very lucky to attend maybe a school that can always provide your school fees. Most parents will not always be able to pay for their kids' school fees. And with this, it will always result to these children dropping out of school. After dropping out of school, this is when the parents will not be able to take good care of them fully. Let's say a teenage girl. The parents will always be struggling to provide for them food, and living alone providing for them the needs that they need, like the sanitary towels. With the lack of sanitary towels, since they can't get them from their parents, they will find out another way. Since they are not working, they will always befriend the men around. And with that, they will always be given sanitary in exchange of maybe spending the night with them. From that, the result will be maybe the pregnancy. After getting pregnant, automatically the parents will always need to chase them away to go stay with the person who made them pregnant. And with this, automatically the person who made them pregnant is always jobless at some point. And this is where now you find that the poverty rate circulates among the family. Yes. So the biggest challenge is maybe, yes, the school dropout, that will lead to everything now.
When I actually went there, if I imagine living there, I realized that wastewater was not well drained. I could get sick at any time, and if I did get sick, there were few hospitals, few jobs, and even if I worked, I could see the hardship of living with half of my salary flying to rent. It was the moment in my life when I felt salary gap by region the most. However, even in the face of such hardship, they had their entertainment such as PlayStation plays and movies and music. I also saw them enjoying life. Sammy, our local guide, was enjoying life. He said hello to a neighbor. I felt a little sense of community connection there. For me, it was the experience that made me want to get to know and be involved with them even more, as I saw the hard realities of their life and their human charm. What do you think of it? We are really happy if you tell us your impression in the comments. We will continue to bring you the local experience around the world. If you like this video, subscribe our channel and support us.